Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word fatigue in English. There are lots of potential areas for confusion with this word, which is one of the reasons that I've chosen it. And at the end of the video, we're just going to talk about a few of the common errors that you can listen out for and try and avoid yourself. But first of all, let's have a look at the script from the dictionary to really dig down and think about how to pronounce this word. So, as you can see in the middle there, that blue mark tells us we're dividing this word into two syllables and we want to stress the second syllable. That's the strong syllable. And we've actually got two clues here. The blue mark tells us that it's the syllable after that mark that's strong. But if you look at the first syllable, we've got that schwa vowel, which tends to be, when it's on its own, a sign that that's a weaker syllable. So the pronunciation is fatigue. So thinking about the actual sounds then, we've got that f, f followed by a weak So repeat after me nice and loud, f. F. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you might have come across the weak forms series. And then if you have, you'll remember that f is a weak way of saying for, the word for. Like this is for you. You might hear people say this is for you. The second syllable then, we've got that t, an e, a long e sound. It's not a short I, it's an E, and then that g. So we need to be voicing the end of this syllable. It starts off unvoiced with the t, but then we've got the E vowel always with vibration and a g, teague. So repeat after me nice and loud, teague. So putting all of that back together and remembering to stress the second syllable, repeat after me, fatigue. Okay, so here we have it as it's written, and this is where we can think about potential mistakes. So the first thing that might happen for you is you might be tempted to overpronounce the first vowel because what we can see here looks like the word fat. So you might be tempted to say an a instead of a weak schwa. So it's not fatigue, it's fatigue. So that's the first thing to notice. The second thing that I think causes a lot of confusion with this particular word is the final three letters. Depending on your own language history, your native language and other foreign languages you've studied, potentially you might want to say a gui or a guay or a guay. There are lots of ways that different people interpret this word, but remember it's a teague. Teague. So one last time, repeat after me nice and loud, fatigue. Great work. So don't forget to hit like if you found that useful. Leave me a comment if you have experienced any problems with this word yourself, or indeed if you've got any other words that you're struggling with that you want me to cover in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.